OO and PB4 Administration and Finance, Mr. Arjun Reyes.
Thank you, Richard. Good morning to each and everyone, media friends, vloggers, and to all the guests, mga leaders na nandito. Thank you sa mga support. Thank you for coming here for our press conference. And I am Arjun Reyes, the COO and Vice President for Finance and Admin, and one of the founders of Buenas Distribution Ventures, Inc. So I'll be discussing now about the integrity and operation of Nanoprotect. So behind every innovation is a process, and every product that protects is a company that cares, and that's Nanoprotect. And I believe that one of the founding pillars of operational integrity is of course, like Arjun, diba? It's the authenticity, the accountability, and the attention to details. And for that, we do have also all the legalities we have now, like the SEC, meron po tayo niyan, and the certificate of registration, and we have this business permit here in Mandaluyong City.